Hi everyone, welcome back to British English for Beginners. I'm Charles the Cat, and today we're going to learn about the days of the week and the months of the year. Let's get started. In our previous lessons, we learned how to greet people, introduce ourselves, ask and answer simple questions, and talk about numbers and time. Today, let's learn about the days of the week and months of the year. This will help you talk about dates, plan events, and understand schedules. First, let's start with the days of the week. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What a great job. Now let's practice using these in sentences. Repeat after me. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. The meeting is on Wednesday. Wow, I relax on Saturday. Well, that's excellent. Now, let's move on to the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Let's practice their names. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Perfect. Now let's use these in sentences. Repeat after me. My birthday is in January. The weather is rainy in April. School starts in September. We celebrate Christmas in December. Summer holidays are in August. Now, let's put it all together in a simple conversation. I'll play both parts of the conversation again. Watch closely. Hi, what day is it today? Oh, today's Wednesday. Or, thanks, do you know what month it is? Yes, it's July. Great, my birthday is in July too, and that's awesome. Happy early birthday. See how that works? Now, it's your turn. Practice saying the days of the week and the months of the year, and try using them in sentences. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining. Remember to practice the days of the week and months of the year. In our next lesson, we'll learn about common phrases and expressions for daily conversations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more British English lessons with Charles. See you next time.